Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to activate the sidebar on Redmi phones. So here I have a Redmi Note 15 5G, is the same also for the Pro version and the other Redmi phones. And if you want to enable a sidebar on this phone, you can do it. For that, just go to settings, here scroll down and tap on additional settings, scroll down again and we have here floating windows. Now here we have side toolbox and here is the sidebar. Okay, and if you tap on it, as you can see now here I have a little bar, and if you swipe from here you can access another apps in a floating window. So what that means, if you open an app, for example Spotify, from here you can also open YouTube in a floating window, in a small window, and you can move it or put it here if you don't use it and open it again. So it's a good feature in my opinion. Also you can use this window wherever you want, and if you don't use it you can close it from here. Now on this sidebar you can do some settings. If you go down and tap on the plus sign, from here you can arrange the apps. For example, you can put in the top what apps do you want. I put Chrome and also Gmail. Tap done, and now as you can see I have here Chrome and Gmail. Okay, so it is very easy to use it. It's a good option. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you in the next videos. Have a nice day.